Hey guys, it's me, Danielle, back with another YouTube video, and I just wanted to come and talk to you guys about Loc Regrets because while I love my hair, there are like little small funny things that I feel like I wish I would have done. So let's get into it. So my first regret would be not starting earlier. So I know like a lot of people, I know like for me, for sure, I have like loc envy. Like when I see people who started locks when they were kids and now they're like, yeah, I've had my locks for like 16 years and they're like super long and gorgeous, and you're just like, damn, like I could have locks for 16 years too. Why didn't I do that? I mean, granted, that probably would have been my mom's decision, but still, she's like, damn, I wish she would have blocked my hair earlier. So like I did want locks in high school. So that would have been like what? That would have been almost 9 years of having locks. My locks could have been to my butt by now if I started in high school. So that is like my number one loc regret, that I did not start earlier. But I mean, it is what it is and we're here now, so. Loc regret number two is that I did not trust myself to do comb coils in the beginning. So as I mentioned like previous videos, I actually started my locks out with two-strand twists as opposed to comb coils. So I actually wanted my locks to be thick, so that's why I started with twists. But the real honest to God truth for real reason why I started with twists is because I did not know how to do comb coils, or at least I didn't think I knew how to do comb coils. But then I was able to actually start my boyfriend's locks with comb coils, and I was like, yo, I could have done this to myself. So I wish I started my hair with comb coils, because since I split my twists, I have like really small locks, which I guess are fine, but I feel like my parts are not stable. You know, like when you watch like loc videos and they're talking about like part to loc ratio, I feel like mine is off. So I feel like as time goes on, I'm gonna gradually take hair out of like my parts and they're just gonna fall off, and that's a serious fear of mine. So that's why I regret that. I wish I started coils so I'd have a stable base from the jump. But next one. And my third loc regret would be not taking enough pictures. So granted, I am only a year in, 12 months, that's nothing. But I feel like, you know, when you like have been years into your journey, you like to look back at like where you started as like motivation for you, motivation for others, you know, just to encourage yourself in this journey. I do not have as many photos as I wish I have. Like as you saw in my loc journey video that I just posted, like those are kind of it. Like I do not have photos for real for like the first 3 months of me having locks. Like I do not have photos because I hated it so much. Like I would always wear hats and eyebrows because I hated my twists. But now I wish I had those photos so I can look at them now, see like, yo, my hair grew. But I do not have them, and I really regret that. So from now on, I'm for real like taking pictures like every day. Selfies on fleek. Do we still say fleek? Because I just did. But I'm taking like so many pictures because I want to make sure that I can look back on this journey and see how far my hair has grown, and I'm so excited. So excited. So I hope you like this super quick video, and like and comment some regrets you may have about your loc journey, because I mean we all may wish we did a little something better, but we can all agree hopefully that we love our hair and we would not change it for the world. So like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.